Hello, my name is Jake Zipkin, and I am a fourth-year medical student at Albany Medical College. In this project, we look at compliance rates of post-vasectomy semen analysis testing in the home and lab setting. Throughout this presentation, I plan to describe the project and its objectives, discuss the methods utilized, and examine and interpret the results. I'll finish off by discussing the limitations of the study. Post-vasectomy semen analysis, which I will hereafter refer to as PVSA, is the recommended method for confirming intervention success based on guidelines published by the American Urological Association. However, current literature reports poor PVSA compliance rates. Our institution utilized a home-based PVSA test between 2014 and 2017 to address this issue, but we have since reverted back to lab-based testing. In this study, we compare PVSA compliance rates in home and lab-based test settings and describe factors that may influence completion rates in each cohort. We retrospectively identified adult patients who underwent a vasectomy at our institution by a single surgeon from December 2014 to January 2017 and June 2019 to August 2020. From 2014 to 2017, each patient was offered purchase of a home immunochromatographic PVSA kit called SpermCheck. From 2019 to 2020, each patient was offered local lab-based testing. We collected data on PVSA completion status and patient demographics. We identified 337 patients who underwent a vasectomy by a single surgeon at our institution in both time periods. 136 of these patients had the procedure between 2014 and 2017 and received home-based PVSA testing. 201 of these patients had the procedure between 2019 and 2020 and received lab-based PVSA testing. Compliance with PVSA was 29% for the home-based cohort and 46% for the lab-based cohort. We found that patients in the home-based cohort were less likely to complete PVSA testing than those in the lab-based cohort, with an odds ratio of 0.42. Compliance with PVSA testing was low in both the home and lab settings. Patients utilizing home-based PVSA were significantly less likely to complete the test than those using lab-based analysis. There were several limitations to this study. First, the retrospective nature and use of chart-based information gathering may introduce selection bias and limit the external validity of the study. In addition, it is possible that compliance rates in the 2019 to 2020 cohort were affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. Future steps include continuation of data collection from the 2017 to 2020 period. Further, we plan to conduct additional binary logistic regression analyses to identify specific patient characteristics that predict trends in PVSA compliance rates with respect to the test setting. We will follow with multivariable logistic regressions to adjust for confounding variables. Lastly, we may also perform analyses after excluding patients who underwent a vasectomy during the period of COVID-19, thus eliminating the potential effects of the pandemic on compliance rates. Ultimately, these findings may help surgeons identify groups that would benefit from home or lab-based testing more than the other, thereby improving overall PVSA compliance rates. Thank you very much for your attention. If you have any questions, comments, or feedback, please contact me at the email address listed below.